Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, July 29, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, July 29, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 29, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, July 29, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for July 29, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, July 29, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.